Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to manually clean C drive in Windows 10. Right-click Start button, click Run. Type temp. Select all and delete all files. Second step is right-click Start button, click Run. Type %temp%. Click OK. Select all, delete all files. Third step is right-click Start button, click Run. Type prefetch. Click OK. Select all, delete all files. Fourth step is click this PC, C drive. Windows. Click Software Distribution. Select all files and folders, delete all. Fifth step is clear recycle bin. Sixth step is type disk cleanup in Windows search bar. Click Disk Cleanup. Click Clean up System Files. Click More Options tab. Click Cleanup. Click OK. Click Delete Files. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.